Hello, my name is Zonarah Bajwa. I'm at the School of VCU studying Information Technology. This summer I did my internship at High Systems. I worked with assisting clients. I worked with filing, managing the files, reading files, editing files. I've also worked with some clients on some meetings, helping them audit. I've learned that there's different fields. I thought there was going to be one certain way in cybersecurity and info systems. Thought there was not that many consulting. I didn't know that you can do consulting, or you can do auditing, or you can do coding. I definitely saw a different side to cybersecurity, which made me happy knowing that I can talk to people, use my marketing and business information on it.